Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review another cookie that's in the market, which is from Quality. This is the Quality Badam Pista Badam cookies. Taste the magic, it says Pista Badam cookies from Quality. Right here we can see Pista Badam written right on top, the name of the product, Pista Badam cookies. And it says taste the magic, and here is the Quality brand. And Quality is a popular bakery known for its bakery products, and here it is, Quality here. It's a pure vegetarian, so it's a pure vegetarian symbol here, and then the illustration of the Pista Badam cookies right here, and they are shown pista and badams as well on the pack. So just looking at the packaging, it really looks very premium, because these cookies come packed in a tin box. Like the olden days, these cookies come packed in a nice tin box here, golden colored tin box here that we have here. And on all sides we can see the Pista Badam, Quality Pista Badam branding video on this side and this side as well. On this side here they are given the ingredients of the products, so I'll just quickly read through them. So it's made from maida, it has a hydrogenated vegetable fat, sugar, milk solids, almonds are 2%, pistachios are 2%. There's invert syrup, cardamom and nutmeg powder, iodized salt, saffron, raising agents, emulsifiers from soy, antioxidants, fermented food colors, contains fermented artificial flavors like vanilla, rose and saffron. Here they are given the nutrition facts as well. And coming to the other side, here they are given the manufacturing date, the batch number, etc. and the MRP. So coming to the net weight of the product, the net weight is 500 grams. So 500 grams is the net weight of the cookies inside. And the MRP of 500 grams of the Quality Pista Badam cookies is rupees 270. Right, so the price is 270 for 500 grams of cookies, and the shelf life of these cookies is 4 months from manufacturing date. So which is a very good shelf life for cookies. So again, this whole tin box comes sealed using a cling foil. We need to cut open the foil, we need to tear it open. So here we go, I'm just quickly going to tear it open here. Tear it open with my nails. It's very tough to tear it open. Yeah, got it. So here we go. Completely stuck. Okay, here it goes. So here goes the seal. We are opening the seal of the biscuit right now. So there's a cello tape all around the tin box, and here inside the tin box we have opened the box. A nice aroma of baked cookies right here, a box full of cookies. So this is the cookie, this is how it looks. It has lots of nuts in it, there's pista, there is badam in it, there's pista in it, and looks really yum and very delicious. It looks, it has a very nice aroma, the sweet aroma of baked biscuits. So this is the Quality Pista Badam cookie, guys. This is how it looks, and it looks amazing, I would say. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of the Quality Pista Badam cookie. Here we have one Pista Badam cookie with us. We are quickly going to do a taste test of the same. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of the Quality Pista Badam cookie. This is how it looks. It comes in a rectangular shape like a biscuit, and it's full of pista and badam. So here it goes, the taste test of the Quality Pista Badam cookie. Very soft and nice, loaded with flavor, right flavor of cardamom and nutmeg as well. Has a spice, flavor of spice as well in that, which is nice. Pista flavor is there. Very premium cookies these are. Definitely it will go very well with tea. You will enjoy having them with tea. Overall taste wise they are just amazing. Melt in mouth cookies from Quality. Very soft crunchy cookies here. So guys, I really like the cookies. It has amazing flavor, a burst of flavors in it. It has pista, it has badam flavor, it has pista flavor, it has a bit of spice in it, cardamom and uh, nutmeg flavor in it. So it has a lot of flavor in it. It's an explosion of flavors in it. So you should definitely go ahead and try this out. Guys, I would give it a 5 on 5 for the Pista Badam cookies from Quality because they are really worth the price and they are just amazing if you all like having some original Karachi type biscuits. So this is what you all should go try. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And guys, if you are looking to buy the Quality Pista Badam cookies, I will leave the link in the description below. You all can purchase it from Amazon.